is Mia, and I'm the founder of Travelpreneur Tribe. We help early-stage entrepreneurs launch and grow their businesses so that they can become location independent and live their lives on their own terms. If you're looking for ways to quit your 9-to-5 and be your own boss, we help you turn your existing corporate knowledge, skills, and passions into a profitable online business, even if you don't know anything about starting or running your online business. We work side by side with you to create a strategy and action plan on how to launch your product and service so you can enter the market quickly with confidence and start getting your first clients fast.
Hi, I am Kate McCoy, and I am a business coach for new entrepreneurs, specifically people who I call creative corporate burnouts, like myself, who have spent their career climbing the ladder but are no longer satisfied and would really like to travel the world or create more freedom in their life, work from home, and replace their six-figure salary. So we really wanted to come in and help them master their mindset so they could prep for their future career as entrepreneurs, learn how to market themselves, come up with some great ideas for getting their first client quickly, and skip the struggle that most new entrepreneurs face in the first year.
We're working here this week with a fantastic group of very smart entrepreneurs. I have been teaching all of the tools that I use in my agency for my clients to generate more traffic, more leads, more customers. So we're sharing all of the secrets that we've used to generate thousands of customers.
For a new business that I'm building, and I was lacking major clarity and major focus. And by the end of the day, I had an executive statement that I'm really confident in, and I have a target market that I'm really excited about.
It's an informal forum for you to discuss and to learn and to try out your business idea, or even if you don't have an idea, when you're working, okay, which idea should I focus on?
We're hosting this week Travelpreneur Tribe, which we had a great week doing workshops for teaching people how to become a successful entrepreneur.
Because there are so many people from different backgrounds with different ideas, and everyone was very, very supportive. From everyone I could learn a lot.
Share my passion for storytelling and mostly the benefits that I see when people trying to communicate their business from the first moment. I think they felt the real emotional connection that stories are capable of doing, and I think they will have a greater chance to communicate their business better.
I came on the workshop today to learn all about pricing and products, how to talk about storytelling in the way we market ourselves, and to think about mindset as an entrepreneur.
Lifestyle, mindset, strategy, business, so that they can build their confidence and be able to create their dream life and their business faster than they ever thought possible.
Around business networks, like how do you manage, how do you build up business networks?
We talked about biggest lessons, things when you're getting started, like misconceptions, mindset stuff. I'm encouraging of anyone to get outside their comfort zone and go join a group, do a mastermind, do an event, just learn.
We need to know who our client is. We need to know how to connect with them, and we need to have a service to offer them. And so by really simplifying and getting focused on what is most important for people when they're starting businesses, we get action and clarity really quickly.
I'd absolutely recommend Travelpreneur Tribe to anybody who's wanting to spend a little bit of time working on their business.
If you can, come. The environment is awesome. The things you will learn are useful and practical.
It's clarity, for sure. Now I know what to focus on.
It was a great energy. Everyone was super nice. Food was amazing. The views were amazing.
And this has been such an amazing experience and totally worth the investment.
I'd absolutely say come along, give it a go, and it'll be 4 days well spent.
So you can start your learning process and grow your company and your life to a place where you want to be.